Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to delete your TikTok video. So let's dive in. First thing you have to do is go ahead to your TikTok and we want to go ahead to profile. So click on the bottom right corner of your screen, it says profile. Click on that, and the next thing you do is just select a video that you want to delete. So I'm going to select my first video and I'm going to delete it. So to delete it, you want to click on the three dots right there, and you want to scroll to the end of the options like that, and you can see I have my delete option right there. So you click on delete. It's saying your video is being processed. You just want to confirm the delete. So you click delete and it will be deleted. And it is that simple, guys. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.